Hello, this is the solution to the deepest node removal problem. So if we have a tree, this is an Nary tree instead of binary tree, that is a node can have multiple children, and we find the deepest node and we remove that, and before removing we add its value to its direct parent. So at the end 5 will be 12, 5 plus 7, and then 7 will be deleted. So I wrote several test cases. I wrote the application in a recursive way. Okay, so here we have the main method, and then we call this one root with the depth 1 initially, and then if it is empty, it says empty. Otherwise it calls this this method. So this is this is to print the with the depth. So first we say depth and then we display it, and this is the remove deepest node by recursion, and we return if the root is null. And then in here we have a recursive call, which is this one. We send a root to the tree, and level initially it is 0, and then the max value to keep the depth of the maximum we have seen so far, and deepest node. The deepest node is so it is an array with the first the root, whatever the root is, and the second item is to keep track of the parent of the deepest node we have seen so far, because when we remove the deepest node we need to know its direct parent, so we keep track of that. And in here if the deepest node, so we have that, and if the second argument is null, that means we have there is no parent, so we have one item in the node only, in the root. Otherwise we, so at the end, so we add the value to the parent, and then we remove the deepest child. And if you look at the test cases, the first one is case 0, 3 is null, so it says 3 is empty, so there is nothing to remove. The second one is 3 has only one node and deepest node is 1, and there is no so the 3 is null. After we remove that, there is no parent. This one is there are 4 nodes, so root is the 1, and 2 and 3 is the child of the 1, and 2 has another child, 10, and the deepest node is 10 and its parent is 2. After the removing, this becomes 12, so 10 is added here, and this is 3. And this one it is a little bit more complex, but I also showed the depth is 4 for this one, and its direct parent is 6, and then after this operation this becomes 16, and then this is the 3. This is all. Thank you.